This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, this is Josh Hooper, PERC's Executive Director, and I've asked Ben Culbertson, our President, to help me demonstrate how to pay for your conference registration if you didn't pay at the time that you registered. So, you ready to give this a whirl, Ben?
Yes, I am, and welcome to colleagues.
Yeah. So first you log in, right? You go to pagreencolleges.org, I guess I should say, and then log in. Enter your email and then your password. And then when you log in, it should take you right to this view, which will have a big banner on it, as you can see, that says balance due for one item, which in this case was a conference registration for 2 people. And then you click the Pay Online button.
Click.
Click. Let's see here. I'm going to pause for a moment while Ben fills in the data, and then, but as he fills it, once he fills it in, you can see down the bottom of the screen, the bottom right says pay $80. I'll let him fill in his own information and click it. But as you see, it's kind of standard data. It's pre-filled his name, but it needs his billing information, just like any online purchase. I'm going to pause the recording until Ben completes it so he can have his own data kept confidential, and we'll be right back.
This conference will now be recorded.
All right, Ben just clicked the pay button and we're getting a kind of standard online purchase thing, payments being processed, please wait. And then it says payment successful. And that's all you need to do to pay for a conference or really any other PERC obligation, except dues. That's more complicated. But any individual obligation to PERC, which would normally be conference registration, can be settled this way. All right, hope that was helpful. Thank you. Thanks, Ben.
You bet. See you at the next event.
Great.